Charmed, enchanted water for treatment, therapy, alcoholism. Water is a living substance that is able to remember and store information, energy, and change its structure after exposure to it in a special way with words and energies, even if it happens remotely, without touching the water, but only visually by photo. This has long been practiced in folk healing, when a healer, by the power of his word and energy, spells it to perform treatment in a person who will drink this water, or apply it externally to the body. Such water can treat even the most severe diseases, wash away damage or bad luck. The human body consists on average of 60% of water, and this percent decreases towards old age, which negatively affects the health of the elderly. The constant use of clean water in the right amount is an important factor in the health of every person. Researcher of the structure of water, Japanese Masaru Emoto, has conducted many interesting experiments with water, proving that it is not just a transparent liquid with the formula H2O. Due to the pandemic and limitations, I can remotely prepare, charge, program your water to perform certain tasks and goals of treatment and healing. To charge the water, I use an appeal to the higher powers of light, ancient prayers, spells, as well as filling the water with special energy. It doesn't matter what country you live in, your gender, nationality, race, religion, age, education. Ideally, if you take water from a natural spring, forest spring, well, early in the morning. But you can also use water from an artesian well, or buy it in a store. Water containing additives, sweeteners, sugar, flavorings, dyes, alcohol, carbon dioxide and other chemical components, as well as past the boiling process, is completely unsuitable. That is, all kinds of colored carbonated and alcoholic beverages are unsuitable for this. Take a picture of your water with a camera, smartphone or tablet, and send me an email photo of the water along with a small payment. In the photo, the water should be in some kind of container with the lid necessarily open, a jar, a container, a canister. It is desirable that the container itself be transparent, for example, glass or food-grade plastic, or white, for example, ceramics. Aluminum containers are not recommended. I charge water, not a photo, a container, a room or a place where there is a container with water. The amount of water in the photo does not matter, its quality, the material of the container and the angle of photography are important. If water treatment is necessary specifically for a certain person or for the treatment of certain organs or diseases of a person, tell me the name and describe the problem, so that I use special prayers and spells. I will charge your water within a day and send you confirmation by email. After that, you can use the water for indoor or outdoor use. In order to preserve its useful properties as much as possible, such water should be stored at room temperature, not in the heat, not in direct sun, not boiled. It is recommended to drink this water in small sips, 3 times a day, in portions of 0.1-0.3 liters, or as much as you like, half an hour before meals. The most effective water for your body is drunk in the morning on an empty stomach before eating. You can also drink this water at any time convenient for you, when you just want to drink water. This water can also be used for external use. The enchanted water is suitable for use by children, women, men and the elderly without any negative phenomena. You can quickly get this water for treatment alcoholism and other diseases in any country of the world and in sufficient quantity. For more information and water orders, please contact via email the address indicated in this video. You can also order from me. Water for healing migraine, water for treatment fatigue syndrome, water for treatment bedwetting, water for healing blood vessels, water for healing differentitis, water for treatment lichen, water for healing fatigue, water for healing thyroid gland, water for healing legs, water for therapy inflammatory diseases, water for therapy mental illness, other.